here's the area I'm going to light up. So I'm going to put some lights along this path. So as you walk along here, this will be lit up just for the pathway. And then maybe 1 or 2 lights over this direction. And then in these plant areas, I've got, let's go look back here. So I got some palm trees here that are they'll get pretty big. At the Gardenreet light. So here's the light itself. This is my first time doing this, so this is new to me too. See, I got the, I guess like a bronze finish. It's very heavy. I guess the bulb's not in this part. So let's see what else we got. So maybe the bulb's in this part. So this is really heavy. It's really nice. And okay, so there's a, looks like a connector there for a bulb, so it must be in this box or probably in this little box. Let's take a look. Yep. Now it's LED. If this was a halogen bulb, of course you wouldn't want to touch it with your fingers, but it's LED, so that should be fine. Let's put that in there. I imagine I need to unwrap this stuff. So we've got a O-ring on here. Make a nice seal. So let's see. Looks like this thread's on there. So there's the base. Looks like plenty of room to put your foot on there and mash it into the ground. Need to straighten that up a little bit. Anyways, so we got a light on the right and then a light on the left. And there's one here. It's underneath those fronds, one on the right. And this one is sort of on the left, but it's at the pool entrance. And then I did do another one on the left up here. Okay. All right, here we are outside at night. The camera's actually lightening this up quite a bit. It's a lot darker than the camera's making it seem. Let me turn the lights on. Unfortunately, I can't do that with the camera on because the control is on my phone. All right, there we are with the lights on. The camera's making it look a lot brighter than it is. These are actually soft white lights. But you see the effect coming up the path. It's pretty neat. All right, let's go in the pool deck, check it out. Again, it's not really that bright, and it's more of a little bit of a yellowish soft light, but you get the idea. Looking back towards the path, and let's swing around the other side. So you can see it's really dark out back there. There is a light across the pond, and you can see the other side now. Light over there, and then we got the one pathway light here. So came out pretty nice.